Hi, welcome back to another nail art video. Hope you have subscribed to my channel. If not, please make sure to subscribe and also don't forget to click on that bell icon so you get notified as soon as I upload a new video. I upload easy nail art videos every Monday and Friday. In today's video, I will be showing you this beautiful bright floral nail art that can be created using only toothpick. So without further ado, let's quickly get started. For this nail art, I chose this really bright and summery colors in light blue and yellow. It's a great color combination for any kind of nail art. So to start with, I painted each of my nails in these alternate colors. To create the floral design, on the yellow base, I will be using the blue polish, and on the blue base, I will be using the yellow polish. Now using a toothpick, add these 5 dots to create a flower-like shape like so. As you can see, I start from the middle of my cuticle area and create a row of flowers going towards the edge. As I go along, I make sure to leave a little bit of space in between each of these cute little flowers. Now to complete the pattern, I fill in the remaining spaces with the similar flowers, like so. If you are just starting off with nail art, or if you have recently developed interest in nail art designs, or maybe if you love doing your own nails, this is the perfect fun little design to start with. It is such a versatile and easy nail art design at the same time that you can create it in any of your 2 favorite colors to match it with your outfit or maybe even your mood. If you don't have a toothpick for some reason, you can also use a bobby pin or even a pen to create these dotted flowers. I really hope you will give this nail art a try, and if you do, make sure to post a picture of it on Instagram and don't forget to tag me in. If you love DIY nail art designs using toothpick, I have lots of videos for you guys on my channel. Make sure to check them out and please subscribe if you haven't already. Finally, as always, clean your edges and apply a good quality top coat to make your manicure look shinier and last longer. I'm really impressed on how this design has finally turned out. Let me know in the comment section below what you think of this design. Thanks so much for watching. I love you so much and I'll see you in my next video. Bye! Please click on this circle to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and these boxes if you wish to check out my other nail art videos.